In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Steam networking to share your IP address. If you want more control over your privacy and how Steam handles your connection information, this setting is worth knowing about. Depending on the version of Steam you're using, you may see it labeled as Steam networking or Steam networking IP sharing. Either way, the purpose is the same. It lets you decide when or if your IP address can be shared for supported games and features. To begin, open Steam and go to the top left corner of the window. Click Steam, then select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where Steam groups different options into categories so you can manage your account, interface, downloads, and other features. Once you're in settings, look to the left-hand side and select In-Game. This section contains options related to gameplay features and how Steam behaves while you're playing. It's also where this networking related setting is usually located. Now, in the in-game section, find the option called Steam Networking or Steam Networking IP Sharing, depending on your Steam version. The wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the setting that controls whether your IP address can be shared when needed by certain Steam features or supported games. When you find it, choose the option that fits your preference. If you select Never, Steam will never share your IP address. This is generally the best choice if privacy is your main concern. If you choose Friends Only, your IP address will only be shared with your Steam friends when it's necessary. This can be a good middle ground option if you want some functionality without allowing broader sharing. If you select Always, Steam will allow your IP address to be shared whenever a supported game or feature requires it. That option may be useful in specific cases, but it gives the least privacy. After making your selection, simply close the settings window. In most cases, the change is applied right away, so you usually won't need to restart Steam or confirm anything else. As a quick tip, if you're ever troubleshooting multiplayer connectivity, you can come back to the same setting and adjust it again based on the game you're using. And if privacy is important to you, keeping it set to Never is typically the safest default. That's all it takes to enable or disable Steam networking IP sharing in Steam.